Never thought I'd own one. I had to wait till they came down.
You know the owner of this one? It looks like the one off Mad Max.
Off of what?
The movie Mad Max.
Oh, yeah.
But not quite the same, but very similar. Huh.
Well, they just, you never know.
Yeah.
They don't.
Huh.
Come on. We'll make one loop and we'll get you in the shade. Come on. You gotta do it. It gives you joy. Yeah.
I like the Cowie, the 2-stroke. That's a 350. I never knew they made a 350, so I gotta send all.
And for a TSXR 1200, it'd be like $3,000.
Still out there in the field by itself? Or they start jumping around? I know, but when they built that LD,
Still sort of pain, but it's got to be like you guys want to do something that's interesting. Okay, for sure. Have a good ride.
Hello.